Hello class, today we are going to be learning how to use our Google Classroom for our just different assignments and how you're going to turn them in, where you're going to turn them in, as well as just how to enroll into the class so you're able to see all the assignments as well as different documents that I'm going to be putting on there so you can have different resources for different lessons. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google account. You're going to come over here and you're going to go all the way to Google Classroom. Then what you're going to do is go join class, and our class code, grab it real quick. This is going to be our class code, so enter that in there. And you're going to hit join. And then it pulls up, it tells you create post. This is where you can announce something to the class if you have any questions. Here you can see that I've already posted some assignments, so I kind of gave you a little welcome, kind of a little bit what we're going to be doing with Google Classroom. And then I posted our first assignment, which is our spelling words week 1. And then I did post a document with week 1 through 6, the spelling list that you need. But if you look here on spelling, first one, I'm going to go here, I'll open it. I want you to read what I have to say, what you need to do. It already gives you week 1 list. I included that in there. So you can open that with dogs, you can open it with Word, whatever's going to be easiest for you to look at those words. Then when you're all done, you're going to take a picture of your sentences, and then you're going to go here, add or create. You're going to insert that picture, and then it'll pop up on mine that you turned it in. It shows you up here when it's due, how many points. So that is where you get that information. Then you can always go back to your home and then see if I have posted anything else. So I think you guys are really going to enjoy using Google Classroom. I think it's a great resource for us to be able to turn in assignments. And I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day and have a good week. And then if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. Okay, bye.